let's continue the Tic-Tac-Toe game video. So in previous video, a Tic-Tac-Toe game where two player can play manually, right? So now in this video we will implement a computer mode. So there will be a two option, play with a friend or play with a computer mode. So I created instruction for computer mode. So here you can pause a video and read. I will also attach in the description. So basically I have added UI and game mode selection instruction. So there will be a play against friend or play against a computer selection screen, right? Then some instruction for restart and other thing, then a logic for game like human will use X, right? And then computer turn it will use 0, 500, a little short delay, 500 millisecond, and so on. And some decisions like win, block, take center, corner, side, etc. Okay, so now let's implement this. So I am going to refer this computer mode and tell implement this. Okay, so it will again create some to-do and will start doing the changes. So here you can see the to-do at selection screen, right? So you can see here it changes in the HTML file, right? So you can see a new section here. Then modifying initial view to hide a game board and show a selection screen. So doing changes in CSS, you can basically check here, right? Now it's reading a script to basically doing this update restart button. So I did some change here, game active to false, so that it can show the selection screen, right? It's doing more changes like some check here computer O and other stuff. Okay, 4 to do is completed now. Now it's doing the update restart button to return to a selection mode. Okay, it's doing. Now it's completed all 6 to-dos. Let's wait to finalize. Okay, all set. The Tic-Tac-Toe game has been successfully upgraded. So okay, so now let's go to the browser. Here you go. Tic-Tac-Toe game, play against a friend, a computer. So let's try first with the friend X. Now there is no automatic selection, so I have to select both. If we will click restart, then it will go, and here you can see the result, the selection screen. So now let's play with the computer. I selected X and you can see automatically. Good. Okay, draw again. Let's play X, 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 X. Now again draw. So now you can see automatically a computer mode is playing with you. You can add a multiple feature like adding a mode easy, medium and hard, right? So currently it's, I guess, a hard mode so it's just drawing. Now let's try one more time to beat AI. Oh, computer win the game. Yeah, that's it for this video. Next video, let's try to enhance and adding the selection mode, basically easy, medium and hard.